Soy John Iver, aka Juanito Iver, aka Biker John, my World Fun Wheel Retired World Bike Tour. And I am still in Mountain View, California, USA with family. We are cycling on the bridge over, I think it's 101 on the Permanente Bike-Ped Trail. Going toward the bay. It's probably about 1000 or so in the morning. And let's see that I'm going to stop and take pictures somewhere. 101 traffic. I'm sure this is 101. The congested 101 is northbound to San Francisco. The other faster moving is southbound toward San Jose. Okay. Yes, indeed. Okay. Good. I'll terminate this in a moment once we get over there. Really, the entire Bay Area is very bike friendly. But I couldn't do any of this without my Franken bike, which is an amalgamation of the S40 drop handlebars, the T50E frame set, and I added the incredibly important ebikekit.com heavy duty 48 volt direct drive e-system. I can't go without those elements for sure. Batteries from fantastic Phil Lau, who is sales 02 at unitpackpower.com. Okay, headed out to the bay. Good. Of course, that's Permanente Creek on the left. My left or on the north side. Oh, nice. And the sun's out, because that's crucial because it's warming things up. This is good. There's no underpass here, so they are doing some, okay. A little bit of maintenance of the youngest of us all. You can wave hi if you want, because I am doing a recording of this.
We're ready to go.
Okay. We got 15 seconds left. That's enough. That'll be enough.
Turn it.
All right, just go.
Yeah, just go. You can get them in.
We're not gonna run us over.
Putting it on the back is
I've never liked rat traps.
John, did you have trouble with...
No, I'm taking I was showing 101. The traffic on 101. I'm not a big fan of 101. Okay, this is good. Lovely, little cool morning here. Now we're going underneath this the last before we get out to the waterfront. Speaking, of course, is a little point on my bike where I've got some metal on metal. I guess we're not going to go around that way. I haven't done this. I've gone this way particularly. could have gone the other way. It's the same 61 half dozen the other. There we are. We just don't have two people with us right at the moment. That's okay. Is passed by the golf course. But it's a nice day. I'll be a bit brisk here in Mountain View, California, USA. And I'm so pleased because I have all the elements that I need to be able to do this. And the most important is that I am using a lot of, that's right, what the FantasyBikeKit.com e-system does for me. Because I have aged out and my muscles are deteriorating with age. I don't do enough physical activity, specifically pumping iron, to keep that going. So, okay, approaching the golf course. Okay, looking good. Here in the Bay Area. All right, it's the peninsula. We are on the mid-peninsula, Silicon Valley. Okay, let's see. Make sure traffic's okay. Looks okay, good. Nice, very nice. Almost as good as the hidden gem of the world, Crossroads, North America, anchored by El Paso, Ciudad Juarez, y Los Cruces. Of course, it's Thanksgiving week, so there's no public schooling, and the students are out here getting in some good practice. Muy bien. Future professionals. Okay. Got through here. Good. Okay. Good.
They don't really want us coming through.
Well, they don't want the golf carts coming through. Okay, here we go. Go down to the bay. We don't have to go over to Dumbarton Bridge. That's a pretty far piece now, although we are about halfway there. Then we'd have to eat at the McDonald's. Okay. Okay, here we go. Good. Good. Okay, very good. Okay, not congested. That's nice. Not yet. Let's see what the trail looks like. Bayshore. See? Buen dia. Okay. Okay, here we go. Out to the bay. I'll terminate at the bay.
What?
I will terminate this video at the bay. When we get to the water. You have to get over to the side here. Okay, here we go. Up on the path. Okay, good. A lot of construction going on. More land needed. There's the bay. Okay, ventilation. A few cyclists out here. Good. And checking my reviews on where to go out. Got a pretty good idea. Here we got 2, 4, 5, and 6. 6 roads total. That's the bay. There's Empire Cycles in Houston. Oh, that was your old BART. Nice. Yeah, pretty good way. That's going to be more apart. That's the place where it is. I like the vents. We're coming around fun place where we got that one picture she liked so much on the a little bit congested, a little bit. Very nice. Okay, we got a problem there. Buen día. It's just up there. That'd be a good turnaround point if you're interested. Bay Trail. On your left, a la izquierda, gracias. Gracias. On your left, a la izquierda, gracias. I like how you're pedaling, Dave. He was pedaling. There's your view area, if you're interested. Okay. Okay.
Only eat worms. Then they realize that they're actually have more. So they eat.
Soy John Iberg, aka Winnie Iberg, aka Biker John, my World Fun Wheels retired World Bike Tour, and I'm going to terminate here on the bay. Adios.